Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Myself Pranaya and good morning to everyone. Today I have TEC Technical English Communication and also Physics Maths 2 hours library and next 2 hours lab of C programming where we will do a lot of coding work. So I hope I will be productive in 2 hours of library, and I have to solve a lot of module bank questions which are left over, and I didn't prepare yet much of module banks for T1 exams. So I have to do that work too. And next is TEC Technical English Communication. I think I am little bit better, I guess. I don't know, but I think I am a little bit better, but I am focusing on how to write report and all that. Hope for the best, guys. I think I feel bored only in labs much because classroom is always my favorite spot, but labs are when it is more than 1 hour I get tired of being there. Okay guys, let's complete TEC and get back to maths class, then physics class, then library. See you in the library. Right now going to C programming class in H block. Done with C programming class, guys. Right now going to have my lunch. Oh, ground floor. I hope you enjoy this vlog, guys, and if you love this vlog, like, share and subscribe to my channel Pranaya Vibe. Finally back to home, guys. So bye 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 bye.